Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sad and today we're gonna talking about the whole application, the Clubhouse application. So today we were talking about what is the Clubhouse application and how to use the Clubhouse application, and even how you can send invitation and create your own room and stuff like this. This is a complete series of the Clubhouse e-learning. So we're gonna start with this Clubhouse application. So the Clubhouse application is a sort of a audio-based social media. So you can interact with people and talk with people using only audio. So you can see here, I have a notification. You are now using the latest update of the Clubhouse. So I will see what the news right for the new version of the Clubhouse, because Clubhouse is as always all know that Clubhouse is just for iOS devices and only for iPhones and iPads. So you can't only install it on Android or something like this. So this is a Notion page. The people that don't know Notion is like a good application, and I will talk about it in the future. So here they tell me that they have released a new iOS update, so I will read this after. So here we have the Clubhouse application, as I say. So Clubhouse application is like social media, like Facebook or Instagram, but it's only audio based. So you can interact with people with audios. You can join rooms like this. You can even create your own room, as I will show you after. So you can do a lot of things with this application. So here with this little icon of search, you can explore more people to follow, more people to engage with. So you will find a lot of people that have the same interests as yours. So you can interact with a lot of people right here and find a lot of useful people. So and here also we have like conversations. So we have a lot of conversation topics that you can interact with, like if you are an art fan, or you are an entertainment lover, you can find your people that having the same interests as yours. So you can here find more topics to explore for like fun or karaoke. I don't know what your interest. You can find it here. So you have a lot of things to follow here, and you can follow you back. So you can grow from here your fan base, and you can grow your social media. You can grow your profile. So you can grow even your followers if you have a small business, or you just starting business, or I don't know. So you can use this application to what you think that is better for you. So here I will show you what is like to invite people and create invitation, like and create an event that you will share with your followers to like explain them a topic or tackle a topic. You can create an event and like ask people to join this event. So from here you can create your own event, or see the event, upcoming event or something like that. So here, sorry for this little icon, you can like I say, you can invite people from your phone number. So you can send people invitation. So that people that asking me how can you send us an invitation. So from here I should have your phone number, and I will like be able to send you this invitation to install the Clubhouse application. So if you are not a phone number registered on my phone, so I cannot like send it to you easily. So you can't like send it by mail, or you can send it by or normal message. No. So the Clubhouse limited this option, so you can just invite people that are actually in your own phone. So you have like six invite who is greater potential additional to Clubhouse. You will get credit for invite on their profile. So I here have like I sent already an invitation. They say they should see here that they are still pending. So you are knowing that who is this sent with, and what people are there installed or not. So you can have like a global vision about this whole idea. So here for this next category on this Clubhouse, I will talk about how you can create an event on the Clubhouse application. So you can ask like people to join your Clubhouse, or you can ask people to join your event. So you are talking about a seminar, or I don't know, you are talking about something that you learn them, you teach them. So you can create an event from like this little icon here. You can create your event, you can name it. Actually, you can add co-hosts and guests, you can add admins. So you can create an upcoming event that you can ask people to follow, and you can add a date, a time, description, a lot of things you can create for a upcoming event that you're thinking that you are starting with. So here I have a lot of events that upcoming for me today. I can mention here, if I want an application, an event that I want to follow, I can just click on this little icon to notify me when the event is starting. So as I told you, you can, it's easy to work with this application and easy to grow your followers like here. So here you can find your event, your created event. Actually, I didn't create any event, so I can find my events right here. If you want just create this event, as I say, you can just this plus here, and you can add your event. So here I have the notification. So here I have a notification to accept and follow a person on the Clubhouse, so I know this person. So it's you can follow it from here, and or you can see who this person is, like a normal social media. Here I have all the activities that I follow and all the activities that actually happen now on the Clubhouse application. So here you can see your profile, and you can see how much people that following you. You can add your biography, and you can add your social media account. So you can see a lot of things from here. You can even update and edit your profile from this little icon here, this section. So your setting profile have a lot of functionalities that are really good for to grow in your profile, and setting your profile good to be something that really people can follow and join their talking. So here you have a lot of things to update and to see. You can connect, as I said, to your social media. You can set notification, you can include trending rooms, you can notification if you want it very frequent or infrequent. It's it's good options to like if you don't want this application to bother you, but you still need to see some notification from them. So there is a lot of algorithms right here I like. So you can share your profile with a lot of people on Instagram or in your WhatsApp mail. Here you find this ad. You can verify your email just with small steps. So this is actually the Clubhouse application. Here you can find a lot of rooms that actually right now is talking, is resisted to
And no
go
one
to
is
a
extracting
room
it for
and they're
you. You have no
talking.
idea because you're treating
So
everybody with that same brush.
I
Or
just show you what is, because it's like it's not legal to register what other people say. So you need to keep in mind that it's not legal to register or outgoing these topics to other social media or something like that. Here you can find these little dogs right here. You can find whose people are available to chat, and the online people right now, you can talk with them, you can judge with them, and a lot of things you can do with them right now. So here you can actually start your own room from here. So here you can add like a topic that you want to share with people. You will describe the topic, reason was good ideas that you think they will interact with. So when people see your topic, they will actually register as an event or just like going through this topic. So you can here create a room like an open room or social. For social open room, it will be visible to all people, all people that using Clubhouse, and they have a little bit the interest of as yours, or some hashtag, some keyword that you put on the room on the topic. So for the social stuff, they will start this room just with your follower. So if you plan that you want to share something like with only your fan base or only the followers that follow you, so you can just like create this room as a social room. So they will just get a notification for your followers, so they can interact with you and follow you. And the last thing is the closed room. So the closed room is like a sort of a room that is actually closer room, so people can get an invitation from you, and you can choose people that want them to see this room and this topic. So this is like a good thing if you just planning to start or you're growing your business, or I don't know what you want to do with application like this, but is Clubhouse is a useful application. I really I enjoy using this application. I use it all day, and when driving, it's like a radio of mine. I get a lot of knowledge from this application. So you can use it and you can test it and see what you will do with it. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Bye bye.